These are the 3 planes I'll be restoring. I have some extra ones, but kind of missing parts. And they're not the highest quality, so probably be going through these guys. This Craftsman, I think a BC 5 BCBB, so number 5, number 4 Stanley, I think like an 80s one, still made in the USA. I think where you can see that there. And this kind of, I think it's a Dunlap, yeah, Dunlap bench block plane. So just a good set, kind of get my hands on and just do some restoration work. We're starting with the 55 because I think that's gonna be the biggest one, something I can just kind of get my hands on. So everything seems to be moving, so I'll start to take it apart and kind of go from there. Okay, so just need this. Oh yeah, we can make that work. So we'll do from. So we'll flatten that. Just get that going right there. Okay, so we got this kind of flattened on table saw. Got this part flattened. Got at least a hole drilled. So that should be pretty good. And then we're going to use a clamp to put it together. We're just going to use clear weld 5-minute epoxy so this can set. We don't need that much. Just one there. off camera, I have been working on cleaning this. Put some soap and water and things like that. That's drying up pretty well over there, the handle. So I'm just gonna leave this tonight, come back to it later. Figure out a way to round this off in the drill press. Maybe we add some epoxy to that tonight. Looks like that was actually already repaired. Cool. Maybe we'll add a little bit more. Yeah. Got my bench grinder up and running with Dan. Kind of wobbly, but it works. Don't think you guys can see me bench grind for an hour. Yeah, using the wire wheel. And just kind of clean it up. I'll let you know when it's done. Is it cut? No. Hurts. Oh yeah. Kind of cuts. Okay, best I've done so far. There's some hair on it. I'm probably gonna redo it. I'm just trying, not on camera, but just try to fix that side. Just using these these stones. Maybe this 300. Well, there's the haircut test. Okay, we're gonna start to put this back together. We got the blade honed, I believe. Kind of cutting my hair. So, the only thing I guess we haven't done is oiled these. Let's do that real quick. We're just gonna use some walnut oil. This, my hands, I guess, naturally kind of oil this, I've read. So, just get a little on there. Should probably just kind of form a hard film. Yeah, I kind of like that because it ooh, that cleans up well. Oh, cool. I got some, yeah, I'll just rub that into the grain. Yeah, I got a little glue. Nah, I'm just a mess. Got a little liquid nail in the grain. It's okay. Okay, now we just got this thing. We'll just tighten this down. There we go. See, I didn't know you could adjust the length with this off. And so like the more you know. Okay, I think we're polished. We've got some oil. We do need to flatten the bottom. But that can come in a bit. Let's try some wood. Buy a piece of wood. Now flattening the bottom. Let's see how this does. Okay. So I'm gonna pull the blade back until it doesn't catch. Okay. Nothing there. Okay, so nothing catches. No catch. No catch. No catch. Nothing. 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 Oh, okay, we got something. Oh, look at that. That's the first strip I've ever made successfully. Okay, let's keep going. Try this. Wow! Look at that. Oh my God! That is, I have been trying to use a plane for over a year and a half. I think that's the first successful strip I've ever done. And honestly, it's because when I first set these up, the blades were backwards. Oh my God, look at that. That's amazing. Fan of this. Got the blades tracking. I'll flatten the sole eventually, but I don't need super precision at the moment. I just want, look at that. Look at that beautiful ribbon. That's the whole thing. Well, that shows you can restore these things. This one I think cost me 25 bucks. It's a Craftsman 5C It's a Stanley Bailey 5, I think replica, but made by Craftsman. Not sure what year, like the 50s or 60s. Rosewood handle then I added this little thing. Got everything dialed in, resanded. You know, this looks pretty good. I think I got my number 5 jack plane. The gang's all here. These are going to be the ones we mostly restore. A Dunlap block pane, Stanley number 4, and a Crest number 5, which we already restored. So just learn to sharpen and hone them in.